Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my first video in Apache NiFi series. Over next few minutes, will build a solid foundation for what data flow, pipeline and ETL mean, why you would want a framework to manage them, and finally an introduction to Apache NiFi itself. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. So first, what is data flow? As its core, a data flow is a simple sequence of operations that takes data from one or more sources, applies one or more processing steps, and routes the result to one or more destinations. You can run this in batch mode. Say every night you pull logs and aggregate them, or in a streaming mode, where events are processed in real time. Think of it like a factory assembly line. Raw material go in, get transformed step by step, and finished goods came out. So let's clarify some of the terminology you will often see. Data pipeline, ETL, and data flow. A data pipeline is any automated route shuffles data from A to B, no fuzzies, just transport. ETL, which stand for extract, transform, load, is a specialized pipeline pattern. You extract data from sources systems, transform it for analysis, and load it into a data warehouses. And the data flow is an umbrella concept. It covers both batch and streaming, ETL and beyond. In practice, you might build an ETL pipeline inside a broader data flow framework that handles real-time event routing. So, why use framework for data flows? You might ask. Why just not write scripts, glue tools together? Good question. A dedicated data flow framework gives you four big advantages. First, scalability. It grows with your data volume. No need to rewrite when gigabyte turns into the terabytes. Reliability. Built-in retry logic, guaranteed delivery, and back pressure mean you avoid data loss or system overload. Third is visibility. Real-time dashboards and full data provenance let you track every record's journey. Reusability. Within the pre-built processors, templates, and parameterize, you have saved the time and reduced the errors. So now the most awaiting part is introduction to Apache NiFi. That brings us to the Apache NiFi is an open source data flow framework which under the Apache Software Foundation. Its highlight include a web-based UI with drag and drop processors so you can build flow visually, no heavy coding required. Data provenance, which records metadata for every event so you can audit or replay data at any point. Clustering support out of the box gives you horizontal scalability and high availability. Over 200 plus built-in processor that speak format and protocols like JSON, CSV, MQTT, SFTP, and more. Whether you need simple file ingestion or complex streaming logic, NiFi makes it manageable. In our next video, we will hands-on experience with NiFi UI, NiFi architecture, and many more things. So please stay in touch with us, subscribe to our channel, and yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.